this new VR game. It's called Monkey's Place. It's a Gorilla Tag, not knockoff, but like, yeah. Monkey's Place. This is my friend Jace. His YouTube name is Jace _VR. Go check him out. Go show him some love. Let's get on to the video. Okay. All right, come on, Jace, come on. I know where more stuff is. No, come here, Jace. Oh, I already got that. No, that's all. Come on, let's I know where one is. I know where one is.
What?
I know where one is. Come on, follow me. Wrong place. Go up here.
What do I do? I have no
Oh,
idea.
this game? Yeah, you're probably new. Here, that's shop.
Bro, for real.
Is there a bomb down there?
Oh,
Alright, hold
no,
on.
that's horror.
Oh no,
That's
this is horror.
Come here. Go down here.
This is Ben's.
You can only get in
wait,
events
is this
if
open?
you play more than how long
Yes.
is it? Isn't it like
Hold up.
He's
Go over
doing it,
here.
At least he
I don't
knows
know how
that.
long.
At least he
What
knows
does it
that.
say?
I only know that part.
Yeah.
So I have to wait.
Oh yeah, go down there.
How
Go down
long
there.
is that?
Wait for me.
Is that 17 hours? Or is that 17 minutes?
Go.
Yo, you want to know a secret collectible?
All right, come on.
Go behind this painting.
You have to get to level 3. Oh, the guy's there. We have to. Oh, right here. Go right here.
Yeah, these are
Wait.
collectible cosmetics.
Don't you have to unlock
right
all of
here.
the
You-
cosmetics?
Oh, I got to level
No,
2.
you, new person,
I got to level 2.
Behind you. With the lights, I'm the one with the lightsaber. It's right here. Just put it on.
Oh, look behind you. This is the level with the
Okay, what else is there?
Wait, I'll die for you.
Any other secret?
There's
Alright.
a icicle. You want to know how to get the icicle?
You down here? All right, follow me.
Okay, so wait.
Go
hold
here.
on, Let me get my sword. And lightsaber on.
I know.
I'm gonna be up on the second floor of the store.
Alright.
Follow me. You got killed?
This game is like really like
Go back.
weird, but it's
Alright, come
I
here,
feel
follow
like
me.
it's better.
Follow
than,
my exact move.
Like this is cooler than.
Go.
I mean, another Girl Tag fan game is Banana Apes.
All right, go.
Banana what?
Go down.
Banana Apes. It's another fun Girl Tag fan game.
No, they're right down there.
Cool, but I had you as a friend.
Yeah. All right, follow me. No, do this. You see them?
This is glitchy.
Yo, what's your username?
Follow me. I got them on my tail.
Hold up.
Yo, red with lightsaber.
Go.
Look behind you.
Come here. Go to the light.
Yo,
Go to the light.
Can I have you as a friend?
Go.
Oh.
Look behind you. This is where you get the item. Come on. Go.
Okay, let me show you where I stood. Come back to work.
It's right there.
Come back.
It's right over there. Did you get jump scared? This is just a running level. Go. The cosmetic is over here. Go. It's right there. It's right here. Unlock. Go. Oh, go. I'm going to level 2. I'm in level 3. Press the button. Yes, I got him. I got it. Sure. I'll come back for you. I'll die for you.
Like I went up halfway and I stopped.
You never
It says I can't die because wait, I'll die in level 3.
There's a moon map?
Yes, it's up there.
Oh my god, can I drink this dude's piss?
Bro, that's crazy.
This dude's piss.
I'll go to level
Wait,
3 and
guys,
die on
guys,
purpose.
Who wants
What?
to do next box with me? Who wants to do next box with me?
I'm showing this guy around.
He wants to do next box with me.
Oh, next box is a map.
You want to do a next box with me?
Hold it, hold it.
You wanna do next-
I'm gonna die on purpose for you.
I'm new. I'm new to this game. This is my second time ever playing.
Red.
Come on, let's
Okay.
do this.
Let's go to moon map. Let's go to moon map.
Ah! I
Two
die
blue.
instantly.
Okay. Where are you guys going? Okay,
I
you
found
guys trying to get up
something.
here.
What? You wait for me. Where?
Come down.
Where are you? Right here. Where are we going, Red?
Ankles? Ankles? Ankles!
Oh my god.
Hey, who wants to come with
Level
me
4
to the
coming
sketchy
soon.
spot? To come to the sketchy
Okay,
spot.
okay.
Who wants to go to the sketchy spot?
I'm here.
Follow
Let
me.
me equip my knife
Hey guys, follow me.
that I
on
got.
black.
I completed it.
Whoa.
Whoa,
Guys, you
buddy.
fucking follow me. I'm gonna
Nothing.
break
It's
you.
just fun.
Whoa, buddy.
Whoa.
Whoa, you better calm down.
Let me equip my knife.
You're racist.
Guys, down here. There's a flame down here. It's not scary at all. It's really fun.
Yo! Bro,
Sure.
I am tripping balls
Sure.
right now. What the fuck is
I
wrong?
thought you would
What?
fucking stick. By screaming, you guys don't have cocks, but I have a beard. I do too.
Where
I
are you
mean,
guys?
Equip what?
We're gonna go back to the. You're gonna go back to Earth because I am literally about to.
No, look.
fall in.
Is there
Wait,
something
where's the
right
moon
here?
map?
You're about to eat.
Click this right here.
Where's this other guy? I want to show him it. Purple. Oh, he's
Now
the
follow me.
purple. Hey, Tabby,
Where's
everybody.
moon map?
I'm a girl. You're not a girl. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
See, that's what I mean. Stop guys, I'm outside the bathroom.
Alright, come on. Let's do. It's up here.
Ooh. Ah! 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 Oh no, this is tripping my ball.
Alright, come on. Let's go. Wanna do horror or find cosmetics?
This is tripping my ball.
Where's Red?
Dude, why do I look red?
Wanna do horror?
Hey, Red, where you at?
I'm on the moon. Now I'm inside
There's
the moon.
popcorn over here.
It's crazy, honestly. There's so
No.
much to do in this game.
Oh, that's just to a random place.
How do I?
Yeah.
Oh, this is how I go back. Please set me back.
Alright, go to
And on.
oh no. You don't get anything.
Yeah. Oh. Yahoo.
Lemonade flavor. Go to extras and go up. Okay. What cosmetic do you want? Well, let me die real quick. are you? Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Hold up. Go to server 16. Oh, here. I'm right here.
Does anyone talk?
Hi. Where are you? Oh, I saw that. Yeah. It's not a cosmetic. I wish it was. Okay, I'll. Oh no. Look, there's a frog over here. Yeah.
Where'd he go?
I forgot where it was, but it's around here.
My stick!
Yeah, it's over there.
Cool.
Yeah. Look, bro, I'm in forest right now. Over here. There's a cosmetic in here. Yeah. I'm pretty sure it's in here. It's a tree branch.
Hello?
Okay, wait, let me get bread
Capping,
in the
bro. You're
server.
capping. No one's in here.
Okay, let me
Oh,
get
hold
bread.
on. I gotta go equip
No
stuff.
one's in here.
I gotta go equip
No one's
my
in here, bro.
stick.
You're a liar. You don't know. You do not know him. You're a liar, bro.
I don't know. It's around here somewhere.
Nothing.
I'm
Yeah,
opening
there's a fake
Discord right now.
moderator. There's a fake moderator. He's saying that he's a moderator.
I'm not. I never said I was a moderator. I never said I was a moderator.
Bro, you literally
Holy
said I was
stab,
getting banned.
stab.
And that was cap, bro. You never been me.
I don't know. Let's just get the ones that I know.
Stab. Stab.
Bro, shut your.
Don't say it again, bro.
Okay, I messaged bread right now. Now we wait.
Alright, hold up. There's
stab all
one
of
over
you
here.
Can you
There's one
guys
over
show me?
here.
Wait, can you guys show me where all the items are?
Oh, you wanna know
I
what
have
this
no idea
is?
where all the items are.
Wait, can
Hey,
you?
wait, where'd
Can you show
where'd
me where
Black
someone
go?
Wait, where?
want to know
Black's
what
not
this
here
is?
anymore.
Where do you
Want
get
to know
the?
what
Black's
this
not
is?
here. Black, they left. They were.
Wait, where do you get
You
that? Where
wanna
do you
know
get
what
that?
this
Where
is?
do you get that?
Follow me quick. We gotta go quick, man, because it's about to die. You gotta go on hypermap and go on top of the biggest tree. We gotta go on top of the biggest tree.
Go into hypermap, then go to
Imagine leaving.
Go to
could
hypermap.
Never be me.
Man,
go to the
I'll
biggest
jump.
tree.
Could never be me.
Gotta
Hey,
you.
you.
I
I have a question.
Yeah, it's like where the frog is. When the hyper.
No, go to hypermap.
Wait, where's the frog?
I just have to
Where's
wait
the
now.
frog?
No, you gotta get the stick instead of the frog.
No,
The
I wanna
stick
know
is
where-
in
how to get
hypermap.
both of them.
Well,
The
let's
stick
just
is in
get this one
hypermap.
first, because my Oculus is about there. You gotta go on the normal map and go on top of the biggest tree.
What?
There should be like a hole in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, so wait, can you just show me where the
Stick is.
I don't think so.
This. Bro, I fly too high. Wait, was that a cosmetic? Hold on. I swear it's like I'm block button. Whenever I go in a lobby and show this stick out, everyone's like, he's a moderator. But I'm not a moderator. You could just find this cosmetic.
Wait,
inside
where's the
here.
other cosmetic you were talking about?
The stick?
No, the other one.
The frog?
Yeah, where's that?
Oh, go on the normal map and go on top of the biggest tree. But first, let's
Oh.
get the stick. Go right here. Try to jump right here.
What?
No, come over here. It's over here. And you jump into the tree.
No, it's just climb.
And then once you're
Or
right
you have to
here, you
fall
go
or
like
you
this.
have to do.
You just,
Oh, crap.
I know, it's so hard to get up here. Well, follow me. Look, get right here and I'll just jump into the tree. But not that low. Not that low.
Oh, I see it. I got it. All right.
Oh, I got a
I
banana.
got it. Bro, I got it.
Wait, where?
All right.
Oh. Yeah, no, I'm not doing that. No.
Why are you hitting me?
Yui, where do you get the pickaxe? Where do you get the pickaxe?
Why were you hitting me, man?
Show me where the pickaxe is. Where's the pickaxe?
Why you
Oh,
hitting
Sabi.
me, bro?
Where's the
Nope.
pickaxe?
Why were you hitting me?
I'm climbing a tree right now, bro. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm on the moon. Oh crap, this is trippy as hell. Oh! Oh wow. What is this?
I'm playing VR.
Is there a cosmetic up here?
Yes.
Oh. Holy moly. Baby, but I promise. Oh! Oh crap. Oh my god. Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw up. Where can I get out? Where can I get out? Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh!
Hey guys, where are all the cosmetics?
What is this?
Yo, wait. No.
Oh god. Oh god. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I think this is gonna be the end of today's video. Goodbye.